Plant stem cells can be used as powerful biofactories for cosmetic ingredients, as they can be easily and sustainably grown in the lab. In nature, plants exposed to stress are able to produce defensive molecules needed to survive and adapt to a new environment, like excessive cold or too much sunlight or other extreme conditions. Just like that, in the lab, we can recreate stress conditions and induce plant stem cells to produce targeted and specific phytonutrients of cosmetic interests, like peptides, sugars, and antioxidants. The phytonutrients concentrated from plant stem cells are proven to have a visible effect on skin and counteract signs of aging. Depending on the plant used, its phytonutrients have been shown to moisturize for a visibly plump look, reduce the appearance of redness, fend free radicals, mitigate signs of aging like fine lines and dark spots. Plant stem cell extracts are typically more concentrated than most natural extracts. In addition, using them in place of natural extracts is very good for the environment, as they require 10 to 30 times less water than field farming, very little soil, and no pesticides. And they are the perfect marriage between nature and science to create beautiful looking skin.